Python, Elementwise comparison of same-shaped arrays. I have n matrices of the same size and want to see how many cells are equal to each other across all matrices. Code. How do I get Python to return a value of 2, cells 2, 1 and 2, 3 match in all three matrices, or an array of false, 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 true, false, true, false, false, false?
You can do. For n items in, say, a list like x equals a, b, c, a, b, c, one could do the result in now and R. If the structure is already in a 3D numpy array, one could also use. The idea for the above line is that although it would be ideal to have an equal function with an axis argument, there isn't one, so this line notes that if mean equals amax along the axis, then all elements are equal. If the different arrays to be compared aren't already in a 3D numpy array, or won't be in the future, looping the list is a fast and easy approach. Although I generally agree with avoiding Python loops for numpy arrays, this seems like a case where it's easier and faster, see below, to use a Python loop since the loop is only along a single axis and it's easy to accumulate the comparisons in place. Here's a timing test. If arrays are already in a single 3D numpy array, e.g., from using x equals np.stack x in the above, then modifying the above function defs appropriately and with the addition of the min equals max approach gives. Which yields Note also that for a list of large arrays f0 equals 2.4 and for a pre-built array g0, g1, g2 equals 10. So that if the input arrays are large, then fastest approach by about 4x is to store them separately in the list. I find this a bit surprising and guess that this might be due to cache swapping, or bad code, but I'm not sure anyone really cares, so I'll stop this here.
Concatenate along the third axis with np.stack and perform differentiation with np.diff, so that the identical ones would show up as zeros. Then check for cases where all are zeros with np.any. Thus, you would have a one-liner solution like so. Sample run.
Try this. You can do this in a single statement.
I fjouwen to se el more, pryna se con hider substreaming.